Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some free phone promotions. You guys already know everybody loves free, so we'll get into that in just a little bit. But of course, if you go to the exclusive in-store offers, as you guys can see, this is basically in-store promotion only. So you cannot get this online. You have to go to a Boost Mobile store, but you can find a store by clicking search at your local or the nearest store that's near you. So I have a couple here in my town, but it depends. In your city and all that stuff. But like I said, which is a very nice promotion because this does entice people to go to your local Boost Mobile store and bring local business and support local business and all that stuff. But if you scroll down here, you'll see more screen, more free when you switch. So here are the three, I'll say not the newest but not the oldest, like semi-newer phones that have came out to Boost Mobile, which are very nice. So it's basically this promotion saying, hey, you can get a big screen when you switch over to Boost Mobile. So you have to switch from a competing carrier that's not Sprint related, so anything AT&T, Verizon, US Cellular, Sprint, I almost said Sprint, T-Mobile. I said anything that's not Sprint related uses their towers, you can go ahead and get this promotion. So if you got Cricket, Metro, Total Wireless, whatever, Family Mobile, whatever it is out there, so here's three phones that they're talking about. Of course, they're talking about big screens. So I don't know you guys, but I have my CoolPad Legacy right here, guys. So you can see this is the CoolPad Legacy. I love the phone. Very big screen. It's a 6.3 inch full HD plus display. It is 1080p, so you can watch videos in 1080p, which is very nice if you're looking for media consumption. That's the one I watch on Hulu, Netflix, YouTube on it. It's amazing. So then, of course, in the middle one, we have a 5.83 inch edge-to-edge infinity display. That's courtesy of the Galaxy A10e. And then, of course, the Moto G7 Play. It's a newer one, if you like Motorola, at 5.7 inch Full HD Vision Plus display. These two right here, the Samsung and the Moto, they're both a 720 display versus, like I said, the CoolPad Legacy is 1080p. So let's go ahead and see any kind of restrictions or anything like that. So it says free phones combo. So this promotion started on the 4th of October, will be going on until the 24th, so about 20 days. So we got about 11 days from making of this video. But it says phone offer, says while supplies last, limited one device / line requires eligible port in and activation on eligible $50 plan or higher and unlimited family plans. Excludes ports from Sprint related carriers, like I was saying earlier. Excludes tax. Select markets / retailer only. Excludes boostmobile.com and national retailers. So national retailers is like Walmart, Target, Sam's Club, whatever, looks like that. Select models only, no substitutions, cashback or rating checks. May not be combined with other device offers. Other terms, offers / coverage not available everywhere. Boost Mobile reserves the rights to change or cancel offer at any time. So it's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and see these phones. So we're talking about, of course, the Legacy, the A10e, and the Moto. So let's see, all phones. So as you can see, here's the A10e, and let's go ahead and see what's the fuzz about. So far on boostmobile.com, they have a 4 out of 5 rating. 18 people have rated it so far. This phone was $140 when it first came out. Then it's currently on sale right now for $100, guys. That's a pretty good price point. Even if you can't switch, you want to get the phone, it's pretty good. I have videos on these phones all on my channel, so check them out. But let's just look at some quick specs. As you can see, it's a 5.83 inch display. Camera's 8 megapixel. This one has a single lens camera on the back versus the A20 has dual. 23 hours of talk time. Storage, guys, 32 gigabytes. That's very amazing because a lot of budget phones like the G6, the Motorola, what was it? Is it the E6? The E6, I think it is, has 16 gigabytes of internal memory, which is shocking, in 2019. But this phone does have 32 gigs, Android 9.0, very cool. Long-lasting battery, very cool. The A10e gives you more time to post, talk, text, and share with friends. Of course, 32 gigs of built-in memory, very nice. And you can expand up to a 512 gigabyte micro SD card 3, store up to 100,000 photos. Wow. And then, of course, the display, it's their, go-to screens. It's the edge-to-edge display with a Samsung. So Should look at some more specs there. 2 gigs of RAM, which is another cool thing. 3,000 milliamp battery, so of course it's gonna last you a long time, especially with it not being 1080p. It is a 720p display. Let's go look at the other phone that we're talking about, which is the Legacy. It's a very good phone. Here it is. Now, people have not been as nice rating this phone as much. It does have 46 ratings, but I've used the phone. I haven't had any issues. I got mine when it first came out, so I did pick up the phone for $100, but retail price is $150, guys. It's currently on sale for $100 through boostmobile.com. Like I said, 3 out of 5 star rating. So the big things about this is that big screen, of course, a 6.3-inch display. Like I said, it's a big screen. But while we're talking about big screens and how where it can save money, let's go ahead and talk to you guys about our sponsor, Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic to save even more. I will have this in the description below, guys. So once you sign up and make your first purchase, I will get a small commission. And I've saved over $40 on the A20 with this phone and many other ones. So check it out. So let's keep going. This phone does have 2 cameras in the back, guys. One's a 16, the other one's a 5, so pretty cool. 31 hours of talk time. I must say the battery life on this phone is amazing. Just lasts you all day, basically. It's a big battery. 32 gigs of internal storage, which is nice. Of course, Android 9.0. There's the camera, so it says, oh, actually it's a, yep, as you can see, the back's a 16 plus a 5 megapixel rear facing camera, and the front is a 13 megapixel front facing camera. Pretty cool. So the dual rear camera, the dual rear facing cameras provide natural depth bokeh shots and feature intelligent scene mode to optimize photo capture. Wow, that's pretty cool. Captivating full HD display with that 6.3-inch full HD display. It's a TV format with an 18:9 full HD. Now look at this battery, guys. This is probably the biggest battery out of all these. Like I said, battery life is amazing. Powerful performance with a 3,980 milliamp battery. Legacy will last through busy days, keeping you connected wherever you go. Charge up 4 times faster. Convenient charging with the Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 and USB-C. So it does have USB and fast charge. Amazing, amazing, guys. For the price, you can't really beat it. And then let's just look at the final specs. Like I said, 3,980 milliamp battery, 20 more milliamps. They could have just done 4,000. I don't know why they didn't even round that up. This phone does have 3 gigs of RAM, which is amazing, guys. Again, for the price. Does support a micro SD card up to 128 gigabytes. And then the processor is a 1.8 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 octa-core. So not the best, not even mid-range, like at least a 6 series, but it's okay for doing basic stuff. Now let's go ahead and look at the last phone that we're talking about. It's that Motorola. And I have this phone as well, the Motorola G7 Play. I think it's a good phone as well if you like Motorola. This phone is rocking. Also has the notch right there. So yeah, for all you iPhone lovers out there. 5.7-inch screen, 13 megapixel rear facing camera. Talk time is 32 hours. Storage 32 gigs. Android 9.0. Same thing, very nice. Brilliant ultra wide max vision display. Wow. Edge to edge 5.7 HD plus display. They'll fit comfortably in your hand with a 19:9 aspect ratio. Wow. Clear and bright photos. 13 megapixel with face detection autofocus. Wow. Captures your subject in an instant and with a built-in flash of 8 megapixel front facing camera. Now, check this out. Now, this one says a 40-hour battery with rapid charging. It's only a 3,000 milliamp battery, but I guess it's not 1080p or anything. But does have fast charging with a 10-watt rapid charge. Gives you hours of play in just minutes. Pretty cool. It does have 10 watts, iPhone only gives you a 5-watt charger, so that's pretty cool. Android is pretty nice with their charging. And let's look at the specs. So same thing, a 3,000 milliamp battery with a rapid charging. They really want to let you know that. 2 gigs of RAM, so only 2 gigs versus like the Legacy has 3, so lowest of the RAM, but you can put a memory card up to 512 gigabytes. Now, the Snapdragon is a lot stronger than the Legacy. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor with a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core CPU and Adreno 506 GPU, so wow. For the price point, like I said, it has pretty decent, specs with a processor. 13 megapixel rear facing camera with 8 megapixel front facing camera. And of course, its display, like I said, it's a 720p by 1520. So pretty cool. So out of all these three, which ones would you get if you did decide to switch, or maybe you have someone that wants to switch over to Boost Mobile or add a line? Like I said, it just has to be on a 50 unlimited plan or higher, so check that out. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, you can support me in my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out Honey, #1 supporter, or DemBuddy.co. They offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot, never throttled or capped, for only $65 a month. But if you use my link and promo code at checkout, you will save $5. That promo code is Sanchez45973. Thank you, guys, and hopefully more videos will come your way. So check it out. I will be going on vacation pretty soon, so if I'm not making videos for a couple days, that's why. So stay tuned for more.